Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first two challenges, let's take up our third challenge now, which is evaluate each record in reports with row level formulas. So once if you launch your playground, let's click on app launcher. So here we are just going to search for sales and click on sales so that you will get this page. So here I'm just going to make a click on reports followed by new report. So for this report type, I'm just going to choose opportunities followed by start report. So guys, here you will find this option called columns. So I'm just going to click on this drop down followed by add row level formula. Just scroll down and let's copy our column name, which is given right over here. So copy this and paste it over here. Let's copy our description as well. So copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, so for formula output type, we are just going to choose number. For decimal point, choose 0. Let's copy our formula. So copy this and paste it right over here. So once if it is done, click on validate followed by apply, and now click on save and run. Let's give our unique name. So if you made a click on this report unique name, it will be auto populated. So once if it is done, click on save. So that's all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So guys, here it says like report name should be opportunities with formula. Just copy this and come back. So click on edit. So here you will find this pencil icon. Just made a click on it and replace it with our name, and now click on run. So let's check this again. So let's come back and click on edit. So here just click on save as well as save and run. Let's make sure we are having opportunity with formula. So if you click on report, there is only one report right over here with this name. And now let's come back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our third challenge as well. Final challenge will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.